Welcome to top floor penthouse living here in Crawley with stunning river views and abundance of natural light. This fantastic apartment was stripped back to bare bones and rebuilt from front to back, offering 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a stunning kitchen. Let's have a look through. A standout feature of the apartment is this stunning main bedroom suite, more than king-sized, beautiful new cabinetry, opens to that front balcony on the riverside and serviced by a luxe bathroom. A fantastic feature of the apartment is we've got the Matilda Bay foreshore right in front of you with a plethora of dining and coffee options, including the Wanley Hotel and the Matilda Bay kitchen. So that's it, a fantastic top floor apartment here in Crawley, beautifully renovated, ready for you to move straight into. We cannot wait to show you through.